All right, if you really want to step up your photography, your videography on your phone, check out this lens right here from APVison. This is an electronic telephoto lens with 150 millimeter of focal length. It's fully multi-coated lenses. It's got Wi-Fi control. Let's say you're on a trip, you're vacationing, you see something in the distance, you can capture it perfectly with this. And what I love about this is it's not one that clips onto your phone. This actually is its own camera. There's on the back, you can pop this part out and you actually have a spot for a micro SD card. It does come with a 32 gigabyte card. And then there's USB-C for charging it up, also to get data off of it. Then you can power this thing on and then you'll connect to it with Wi-Fi and then you use their APVison app to connect to this thing. And you can view it from there. You can record from it. It does have a focus ring on it as well, and it's really nice. It's like solid. It's a really quality made. At the bottom here, at the base, this is great. It's got an arc mount. This is your typical bigger tripod mount, so you can pop this thing on there to get that great stabilization. But there's also a quarter thread on the bottom, so you can put it on other tripods as well. But when you get it all connected, it looks something like this, and it works extremely well. So if you're wanting to get above average video shots with your phone, everyone else is sitting there trying to zoom in, it's all pixelated, and you rock this thing up. Yeah, this thing is awesome. It's going to do the job. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.